Live look now at the Medina County Health Department, where families have been stopping for the last hour to get a flu vaccination in hopes of not becoming a statistic in the nationwide outbreak. Some are now calling this the worst flu season in 4 years. 47 states are reporting widespread cases, and while the number of hardest hit states has dropped to 24, some are declaring health emergencies. That means people who don't usually get vaccinated are, and that means while the vaccines are still out there, they're becoming more scarce. News Channel 5's Bob Jones live at tonight's clinic in Medina. And Bob, a lot of people hoping to get their hands on one of those vaccines, I imagine.
Well, Chris, as you can see, it's very crowded here at the Medina County Health Department, where they had a very limited amount of the vaccine, about 130 doses, and all of those doses will be spoken for. Obviously, this vaccine is in high demand, and it's also very crowded at hospitals as they also deal with the flu outbreak. Lacey Booth never imagined a flu bug would land her baby girl Kyra in the hospital, but the 9-month-old spent her second day at Akron Children's.
She had a cough these last 2 days, and then it just progressively got worse, and then daycare finally called and said she'd spiked the temperature of 103.
Lacey caught the flu first and thinks she passed it on to her baby. Kyra got a flu shot, but it didn't prevent the strain she caught.
It's been horrible this year, and just everywhere. It's all over the news and everything, just how bad it's been.
The hospital's chief nursing officer says visits to the hospital's 4 ERs jumped by nearly 3,000 when comparing December 2011 to last December, and that's largely because of the widespread flu.
We've seen an additional 4,000 patients going to their pediatricians that are Akron Children's pediatricians this year for this time of year compared to last year.
Lisa Aurelio says 14 school health clinics connected with Children's are getting hit hard as well.
They're seeing about a 40% increase in the number of children who are going to the school nurse with flu-like symptoms.
The hospital is asking people with flu-like symptoms to stay away from Children's, with the rise in influenza illnesses keeping the staff very busy.
This is not the worst one we've seen in 10 years, but it's one of the more significant ones, yes.
With the flu coming a month or two earlier than usual, many have wondered, is it still worth getting a flu shot?
The CDC has said that the flu shot is the right shot for this year's strain of flu, so it's not too late, and I highly encourage it.
And again, the flu clinic here at the Medina County Health Department is open until 7, but at this point, health officials are saying don't bother coming because they had about 130 doses, and all of those doses are spoken for. There will be none left. They plan to order more and hope to get more of the vaccine by this Thursday. They say the best advice is to check the website of the Medina County Health Department. On your side, live in Medina tonight, Bob Jones, News Channel 5.